Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am actually reviewing Garnier SkinActive. This is a
anti-dark circle eye roller. Instant corrects dark circles and brightens with vitamin C plus caffeine antioxidant complex.
Okay, so I picked this up because, yes, it's an eye roller, but it has color to it, like a concealer. And I would assume, it doesn't say concealer on here, but it says clearly brightener, sheer tint, light to medium coverage. It doesn't say concealer, but anytime a product that you put under the eyes and it says that it brightens and it has color in it is typically a concealer. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna show you guys me getting ready and trying it out. And then I'm gonna check in throughout the day and tell you guys whether this is worth your money or not. But if I can find makeup plus anti-aging, I'm gonna try it out for you guys. Tell you guys my final thoughts at the end of the video. And if I like it, I'll try to find a link to it and post that down below. So let's go ahead and just jump to that video. Guys, so let's open it up. This is what it looks like. You guys can see I have not used it. It has just a ball, okay? So I'm actually gonna shake this up because sometimes the product can just stay there and it needs to be mixed up together to work its best. Wow, okay, so as I'm shaking it, I kind of noticed this warning sign on the back that gets me a little fearful. Caution, flammable until dry. Do not use near fire. Oh, wow. So let's go ahead and rub it on the hand and see what it looks like first. Okay, not too bad. And it looks like it has pretty darn good coverage. So let's go ahead and try it under the eye. You know what? This ball feels fantastic on the eye. Wow, that looks really nice. So it's supposed to be an anti-dark circle. So you guys can see right here, I always get this like darkness. It's almost like a line right there that I get of darkness. Let's go ahead and see if it covers this side. Like, I can't tell you, this ball is cold. It feels honestly just so good. A good amount of product comes out. So I rub it in, and then this is just kind of a trick. Like, just go ahead and pat to make sure that everything kind of blends nicely. A little bit more on that spot. I feel like it feels like a very hydrating foundation under the eyes. And I think that once I set this with some powder, that I'm gonna get a little bit more coverage. I can still see just a pinch. You can see that line, just a pinch, but it's better than what it was. So a lot of times I like to use lighter foundations under my eyes versus a heavy concealer, just because sometimes I feel like if it's too heavy, it's gonna crease in my lines, and this is why I'm patting it down to make sure that it does not crease in those lines. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, but I am gonna set that. You know what, I'll just set it really quick. Take the yellow banana color in the Profusion palette. I'm gonna set the under eye area. I'm just gonna grab some right here. Now, before I set it, I'm gonna go ahead and pat it down, make sure that it did not crease. And then I'm gonna go under and just set it like this. Really, really pretty. Does it last? Will it come off? I don't know. I'll see you guys in a few hours. So I'm picking up Zimmy from school, and I just wanted to turn on the camera and show you guys in the light. Like, this looks really, really good. My eyes look like they're hydrated as well. Okay, guys, so I can honestly say this. I've been wearing this under the eye for 12 hours. And just look. It looks really good. 12 hours. I mean, obviously, look, you get a little bit, tiny bit of creasing, but the smallest amount. I have concealers that do 150 times worse than that. Just a tiny, tiny amount. Tiny. But my under eye area looks hydrated. It looks good. It looks nice and camouflaged of any darkness still. I'm like, wow, I'm actually super impressed with this. And the fact of the matter that you get all of these like anti-aging stuff in it. This is going to be my new concealer. So anyways, if I can find a link to it, I will post it down below. If not, I got this at my local grocery store. I will try to find a link to them. If not, if I cannot find an Amazon link. But while you're down there looking at the link, if you could push that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.